Hi, it's me, and welcome to my channel. Keys are Plecostomus fish. They're also known as suckerfish or aquarium cleaners, and they are native to South America. In their natural habitat, they live in freshwater rivers and lakes and are most commonly found in the Amazon River basin. Placos, as they are commonly called, are very hardy fish and can tolerate a wide range of water conditions. This makes them very easy to care for in aquariums, and they are a popular choice for both beginner and experienced aquarium owners. In their natural habitat, plecos live among rocks and wood, where they use their strong suction mouth to attach themselves to surfaces. They are nocturnal, which means they are most active at night and spend their days hiding in caves or under rocks. One interesting fact about plecos is that they are actually omnivores, which means they eat both plants and animals. In their natural habitat, they primarily eat algae and other aquatic plants, but they will also consume insects and other small creatures. Now, let's talk about how they breed. Like many other fish, plecos are oviparous, which means they reproduce by laying eggs. However, they have a unique way of caring for their young. The male pleco will build a nest in a cave or under a rock where the female can lay her eggs. Once the eggs are laid, the male will guard the nest and protect the eggs from predators until they hatch. The eggs will hatch into tiny little fish called fry, and the male will continue to guard them until they are old enough to fend for themselves. It typically takes around 4 to 6 weeks for pleco eggs to hatch, and during this time, the male will not eat so that he can conserve his energy for protecting the nest. Once the fry are ready to swim off on their own, they will disperse throughout the tank and begin their independent lives. At this point, the male pleco will finally get a chance to eat again and will likely go in search of food throughout the aquarium. Pleco breeding can be a fascinating thing to observe, and if you are lucky enough to have a male in your aquarium, you may just witness this amazing behavior firsthand. And now, let's talk about how long they live. In the wild, plecos can live for up to 10 years. However, in captivity, with proper care and a well-maintained aquarium, they can live even longer. With regular feeding and clean water changes, it is not uncommon for pet plecos to reach the age of 20 years or more. One of the reasons plecos are such good candidates for long-term care is that they are relatively easy to feed. They are not picky eaters and will accept most types of fish food, including flakes, pellets, and frozen foods. In addition to commercial foods, plecos will also eat leftover fish food and other organic matter in the aquarium. This means that they are well adapted to scavenging for food in both the wild and in captivity. By providing your pleco with a varied diet and performing regular water changes, you can help ensure that it stays healthy and happy for many years to come. So there you have it. Those are some fascinating facts about Plecostomus fish. Whether you are a current pleco owner or are just considering getting one, hopefully you learned something new and interesting about these amazing creatures. If you enjoyed this video, please like and share it with others who might be interested in learning more about plecos. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.